In the RM2 world, identifying risks involves the following steps. Define objectives. Clearly establish specific, measurable objectives for the organization, decision or project to provide a context for identifying risks. Identify existing assumptions. Examine the assumptions made during the planning and decision-making processes, as they may contain inherent risks. Gather data. Collect relevant data from various sources, including historical information, expert opinions, industry benchmarks, and external factors that may influence the organization's objectives. Brainstorm potential risks. Involve stakeholders from different areas of the organization to identify additional uncertainties not already covered by existing assumptions. Consolidate and document risks. Combine the risks identified from existing assumptions and brainstorming sessions into the decision-making model, ensuring that all potential risks are documented and considered in the subsequent risk analysis process.